due to high demand, I'm going to do some more videos on paper. A positive 4-digit number is increased 4 times when the digits are reversed. Find that positive 4-digit number. So if we have any 4-digit number A, B, C, D, now I'm going to put a line over it to indicate that it's a number, not variables being multiplied by itself. And then when we reverse the digits, so it's D, C, B, A, this one is 4 times as great as this. So when we multiply this by 4, we get this number. And so now all I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this out. Now, so in this number, A represents the thousands place. So when I distribute, it's going to be 4,000 A plus, and then since the B represents the hundreds place, and now we're putting it back into a variable, it's going to be 400B, and then it's going to be 40C and 4D. That is going to be equal to, and now this is in the thousands place, to 1000D plus 100C plus 10B plus A. Now you can notice over here that the 4000A has to be equal to the 1000D, and 400B has to be equal to 100C, so on and so forth, because the A, B, C, and D are only numbers between 0 and 9. So it's not like you could have this match up with this. Okay, so now we can just add and subtract a bit. We see 996D. Just going to subtract 4 over here. And then, so I cancel out that, and then I'm also going to subtract 40C, so it's going to be plus 60C is going to be equal to 390B plus 3999A. So once I'm here, you can see that we can, take out some common denominators and stuff. So I'm just going to write this all in terms of A right now. So it's going to be 3,999A is going to be equal to 996D plus 60C minus 390B. And you can see these appear to have more factors in common than 3,999, which is why it's nice to put all of these on the same side. So you might notice that these are all divisible by 3, so I'm just going to divide everything by 3. And so now that I've divided everything by 3, we can see that on this side all the numbers are even, so they have a factor of 2. Um, 2 divided by 2, that's going to be 1, 6, 6 plus 10C minus 65B. Okay, and so important to note over here that 1, 3, 3, 3, and 2 are relatively prime, so they don't have any common factors, which means that A has to equal 2, and this thing right over here has to be equal 1, 3, 3, 3. So we have solved for A. I'm just going to write that over here. A equals 2, circle that. And now we have 166D plus 10C minus 65B equals 1333. Okay, now remember what I told you up here, how the 4000A corresponds to the 1000D. Since A is equal to 2 that would make 1000D equal to 8000. So D has to equal 8. So I'm going to write that over here. D is equal to 8. So now I can plug that in over here. It is 166, I'm going to actually expand that right over here. 166 times 8, let's see what that's equal to. That's 48. That's 48 again, carry the 4, that's 52. That's 8 plus 3, that's 1328. So I have 1328 plus 10c minus 65b is equal to 1333. Okay, so now I'm going to subtract 1328 on both sides. I'm going to have 10c minus 65b is equal to, that's going to be 5. I can divide by 5 on both sides, and I have 2c minus 13. b is equal to 1. So now I know that 2c is equal to 13b plus 1. Now, you might be thinking, okay, well, I can't solve this. The problem has no solution. But you need to remember that c and b have to be numbers between 0 and 9. So if, for example, b is 2, that would say 13b plus 1 is 27. That would mean that c actually has to be greater than 9, which doesn't work, which means that b has to equal 1. So we have, if b equals 1, then we have 2c has to equal 14, which means that c equals 7. And we can see here that this is the only solution, because if b equaled 0, we would have 1 is equal to 2c, and that wouldn't make sense looking back up to here. So we know that c is equal to 7 and b is equal to 1. So the positive 4-digit number, which was ABCD, is 2178. Okay, thank you for watching, and goodbye.